Safety off. Safety off. Let's see if they still hear it. Are you on him? No, I can't see him. Okay. He's well within range. Still can't see him. You should be able to see him now. Scurvs, he's right in front of you. He's right in front of the decoy. I see. You want me to stop him? He's right behind the decoy. Can you shoot him there? Yeah. Okay, hold on. Whenever you're ready, make sure you're down on the gun. Right at the base of his neck. Wait till he turns to us. Missed him. Well, just for the show, T-Bird just missed one at about 40, 45 yards, but we still have turkeys gobbling, so we're going to stay put for another hour and a half, 2 hours or so, and see what shows up. We had 3 longbeards and 3 jakes about 200 yards away, and one of them come over, so there's still 2 left. We'll see what happens. Oh, yeah, sure. The one in the back, I think, has the longer beard. Okay. The one in the back, I think. Yeah, definitely the one in the back. Hold on, let me switch to the other window. Hold on. Okay, I got him. Take your time, okay? Yeah. Wait till they separate. Get the one in the back. Wait till they separate. Don't shoot that hen. These two, don't shoot that hen. Make sure they're separate, okay? You got time. Just relax. Don't shoot my decoy. I can push him all the way. Just relax. Don't shoot them both. Not yet. Well, they like her. We can do that. We want to shoot the one on the right if we can. Yeah. Oh, they gotta separate. Just relax. We got plenty of time. They don't even know we're here. There you go. He's gonna try to get on her. That's funny. Oh, it's killer footage, Scurv. We gotta get him away from that decoy. If he spins around right there, you can get him. Wait till he spins around, okay? Not yet. Nope. Nope. Oh, he's trying to mount her. Oh, what good footage, Scurv. What an idiot. Oh, he's going to town. Let's see if we can get that strutter away from the other one. If he spins around right there, can you get him? Yeah. Good shot. Dead turkey. Hey, Tuck. Now that's how you do it.
Thanks.
Nice comeback.
Thanks.
Alright, I should have put my... Are your ears okay?
Yeah, they're good.
How'd that feel? Better?
Relief.
You can breathe? It's okay? Dude, that is crazy footage.
He's still on there, out there.
Huh?
He's still on there.
The other one?
Yeah, look.
Huh. I didn't even know that. Okay. Did he run back?
No, he didn't go away.
Let's just video him for a second. Hey, Derp.
Right.
You can't say turkey hunting isn't fun.
It is.
Well, my friend Jake number 2 mauls our decoy. I'd like to do a shout out to Mr. Jason Levish for selling me this sweet decoy that lured these 2 knuckleheads in. And obviously you've seen the beginning of this story, and Tuck missed on a longbeard at like 40 yards, but Mr. Jake came in here, didn't work out for him. And the bad part is, he didn't even get to enjoy our plastic decoy. Just Jake too. But he has a nice little beard, and we'll put him in a pot. I could probably film this all day, but I'm gonna say, until we clean up, coming back to my friend, Scurb Dog.
Yeah.
That was our last youth turkey hunt, because my boy is growing up and getting big.
Yeah.
Turning 16 in a couple weeks here, huh?
Next Sunday.
Yep. Next year, you hunt with Big Boy. And I'm going to have to say you're on the camera first. What do you think?
That sounds good.
You always say that sounds good, but you never film. All right, good shooting, man. Nice comeback.
Nice.
All right, we'll clean up here and get some breakfast.
Okay. Still shaking.
I kid you not. It's been about 4 minutes since I shut the camera off. And Jake, too, is still here. We even yelled at him and he won't leave. I don't know what his problem is. He's in love. Hey, you know what he's thinking about our decoy? I love that. Can you guys believe this? Tuck is out there with that turkey. How far away are you, Scurb?
20 feet.
20 feet away. Wow. I've never seen anything like it, Scurb. See if you can yell at him. Finally running away. Unreal, Scurb. You got a nice little beard on?
Yeah.
Hey, welcome to Turkey Hunt with Steve and Tucker. I'm Steve, that's Tucker. It's Youth Turkey Hunt 2014, and it's our last one. Tuck's 15 years old, so this is it. The morning started off great, lots of gobbling behind us, and the turkeys flew down. But after 5 days of scouting, I have to say they did not show up where I thought they would. But we were lucky enough to call over one of the longbeards to about 40 yards, and Tucker whiffed. That's right, clean miss. So he was a little disappointed, and I said, listen, let's just sit here for a little bit, see what happens. About an hour later, 2 Jakes come over the rise, and we called them down, and it was some spectacular Jake footage, there's no doubt about it. And Tuck put the smack down on the biggest of the Jakes here to wrap up his youth turkey hunting experience. Now, I know you guys can't see this on the camera, but there are 2 longbeards working over the hill behind us. So next week, we'll be back in action for big boy season. And Tuck said he's going to film, but he's probably going to shoot. So we'll see you next time. Take care.